Today's date is Saturday the 1st of August. Now, guys, this video is going to be a very formal video. I'm going to explain it in layman's terms. Imagine you're playing a video game, let's say Tekken 8, Tekken. You're playing Tekken, and you're trying to find a mirror match. The mirror match is interdimensional. So you can find someone that's on the opposite, on the interdimensional Wi-Fi network. So when you play a mirror match, you can pick a Lisa and then pick a Lisa. You can always fight only a mirror match. You couldn't fight a person of the same character. This is the future I'm trying to build with Mmuco Glimpse. Mmuco Glimpse. Wait. This is what I'm trying to invent. Let me start with some Mmuco Glimpse. So imagine playing Jack, the character, and you are fighting someone. But so how will this work in practice? You're going to have interdimensional cable and a protocol, interdimensional protocol. Those are the two things you need. But we don't understand interdimensional technology so far. I'm trying to build it for the future. Because in the future, I believe if you want to get it through, if you want to implement this today on regular networking. But if you want if you really want to immerse yourself in this can implement today in the world, mirror matches on the network. So you need interdimensional protocol and interdimensional protocol and interdimensional cable, like internet access, interdimensional internet access or interdimensional network access. Pulling inference cable. The idea is to verse someone that's literally yourself, that has your mind, has your body, your physical form, your body, and your mind, and looks alike like you, to see who's best at a mirror match. A mirror match is a match that uses the same characters, and all the match of knowledge and how much you understand your character and the other person's character. If you have a main character in Tekken 8, you will be subjected to understand that mirror matches are more than a test of who understands the game more. So, what am I trying to do? What am I trying to get out of all of this? I believe that networking is still on the. To my understanding, networking is still our knowledge of networking protocols, even though I made it protocol as a networking protocol, is limited. But immerse yourself in experience of fighting in this interdimensional being from another universe, or another galaxy, another universe in our Milky Way. Like we are in the universe. We are in a universe, but this will need formalization of string theory, M theory, and working interdimensional protocol. But that's the future I want to build for networking. This is a deeply personal project because I'm ontological and I want to see whether I'm the best in the universes. We can have a universe tournament. And that's what I'm saying, So the whole goal of it is to build a networking protocol and an international networking system that can, using a networking concept and M theory, networking concepts, M theory, string theory, and other theories, so that you can have a match or to see which of me is the best of the world, the best in the world, in the whole universe, in the multiverse. But See, if my lawsuit of £55 million go through, I'll continue my project and start studying M theory, string theory, and implement them as network protocols. But my idea is how this will work. We have 3 dimensions, local dimensions. One shared reality. And that's the local minimum. So we have X, Y, and Z as slices of reality. And these dimensions operate locally and non-locally. So for every property you define, you have to define dimensions. For example, 3 local dimensions for local interaction in our universe, in reality. Because reality is a fabric of interactions. And reality has 3 local dimensions. Yes. 3 local dimensions and 3 local dimensions and 3 non-local dimensions. Total of 6 local, 6 local, non-local. Plus 1 dimension for the fabric we all share. That will be 3 plus 3 equals 6 plus 1 equals 7 for for shared reality. Now, reality works on interaction. But what is an interaction? Is it a physical interaction? Is it because you're meant to observe the reality. Reality is shared. It's shared. You can have augmented reality. You can have the different kinds of types of realities too. But reality is a shared fabric, the shared truth, shared fabric. I like to use the fabric of space-time. You have 3 times 3 non-local maximum dimension, that makes it 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So you have 9 plus 1, for one sharing and non-located is 10. But you have 6 plus 1 is 7, making a total of 17 realities. Total. Plus, because interaction is kinematic, so you have to think about kinematics now. Wait, what am I saying? So, 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 6 is 15. 15. If you need a dimension, you just add dimensions because they're shared realities. If you need to construct a reality that holds, because it works in interaction. If a property doesn't satisfy, you extend reality into a new reality, you create a new reality. That's how reality works. So, but it holds everything together. You must not remove it because it's a shared. It's like a counter. So it's a shared lock. It's a mutex. It's a shared lock. You cannot destroy a reality because reality is shared. Everyone has a reference to reality. So the idea of me building a networking protocol for reality, which is a networking protocol for reality, is to ensure that I can have if I give us operation, but basically the counters are if I build this networking protocol for reality. So if I can build this protocol, it means I can, in theory, harness the power of all harness the computational power of other multiverses, other universes in our multiverse, if there is a multiverse. But I believe high hypothesis there is, we are living in a multiverse. So because reality is shared, that's the theorem of it. What else? So 9 plus 16 is 15 plus 1, 16. So M theory says, string theory says 16. M3 says 16. Wait. Basically it's all shared realities. So for example, if you have, I'm gonna stop saying the numbers because numbers are not the point. It's interaction I want to focus on. Because any kind of element, anything that can be measured is anything that can be interacted with has a fabric of space-time. It's shared, and that's shared. It's shared. If you can be encouraging something, basically, if you have something that can be shared, reality is something that can be shared. If you can share it, you can interact with it, and it can interact with you. That means it's a fabric of space-time. It's a It's part of a reality, you know. So you have to just so if I strike a match and that match lights up, if I light a match right now, and that match lights up in my hand, lights up a matchstick, and the fumes, I can't smell some fumes, but it's there. If I can make sorry about that, guys. If I combust something, you know, and it's interacting with other things in my space length, it's sharing, you know, you have to use the theory of relative to explain it. So you have many realities to have installation, and that's what I'm saying reality is. A reality has these many realities. It's coupled, and it shares physical interaction. It shares our physical relative interaction. The two terms are defined as material and non-material. So you have the material universe, things you can feel and touch, and the non-material universe, things we can quantify and measure by not touching it, but we can't directly interact with it because we need tools to interact with it. And we have the physical and the non-physical world. Physical represents a full set of qualitative quantities that we can always measure, and non-physical means their sub-properties, the property set, but we can't really extract the full meaning of it because we are not in that reality, or we can't access it for some relative reason, fabrical reason, because you know we can't directly interact with radio with our minds, you know, because the region is too small for us to sense it, or you know. Thank you for watching this video. So that's the video. What's it been? It's basically been on a networking protocol for interdimensional video game. Like, you know, playing myself, Namdi, Obi Nexus Namdi, Michael Bala in another universe, and playing myself into where I maybe Paul and have a PS5 and having internet connection with someone else, or be Paul rich and having you know, a reality where I exist twice. While I'm born. That's the idea. Thank you for watching this video. Like the video if you think it's interesting. So that is if I get £1 million.